Ever wonder what's inside of a, I guess you could call it a COVID-19 mask, since that's what they're being used for now? Face mask, whatever. But ever wonder what's inside of the part where you bend it? Yeah, the other day I was wondering what was inside, so got curious and ripped one open. But I wanted to show you guys on my channel. Rip it open real quick. Okay. Ripped it open, pulled it out. Basically, it's the piece to the bread. Little things you can get in the grocery aisle to tighten up your plastic bags, or the little thing that comes for the bread. That's what it is. That's what's in there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.